Hello student, I welcome everyone to the commerce class. Here is the continuation of chapter 4, Functions of Financial Market. Functions of financial market can be classified into two, intermediary function and financial function. The intermediary functions of the financial market include the following: transfer of resources. Financial markets facilitate the transfer of real economic resources from lenders to ultimate borrowers. It means giving cash to another person. Enhancing income. It means to increase or improve, and it can be described anything. That's an improvement to the quality of something. Productive usage. It can be used more broadly to describe something that produces a positive result. Capital formation. The term capital formation used to describe the capital accumulation during an accounting period for a particular country. Price determination. The interaction between the demand and supply in the free market that is used to determine the cost for a goods or service. Sale mechanism. Financial market provide a mechanism for selling of a financial assets by an investor so as to offer the benefits of marketability and liquidity of such assets. Information. The activities of the participant in the financial markets result in the generation and the consequent dissemination of information to the various segments of the market so as to reduce the cost of transaction of financial assets. Financial functions. The financial functions of the financial market include the following. Now we will discuss about providing the financial market. Providing the borrowers with the funds so as to enable them to carry out their investment plans. Providing the lenders with the earning assets so as to enable them to earn wealth by deploying the assets in productive ventures. Providing liquidity in the market so as to facilitate trading of funds. Now we will discuss about new issue market versus secondary market. Basis for comparison: new issue market, secondary market. Meaning, the marketplace for new share is called primary market. Secondary market, the place where formally issued securities are traded, is known as secondary market. That means a resale market. Buying, direct and indirect. Financing, it supplies funds to budding enterprises and also to existing companies for expansion and diversifications. It does not provide funding to companies. How can securities be sold? Only once, here multiple times. Buying and selling between. Primary new issue market or primary market, company and investors. Secondary market, investors. Gain persons. Primary market, company. Secondary market, investors. Intermediary, underwriters, brokers. Price, fixed price. Here fluctuates, depends on the demand and supply force. Organizational differences, not rooted to any specific spot or geographical location. It has physical existence. Classification. Now next topic is classification of financial assets. Financial assets can be classified differently under different circumstances. One such classification is marketable assets, non-marketable assets. Marketable assets. Marketable assets are those which can be easily transferred from one person to another person without much hindrance. Example: shares of listed companies, government securities, bonds of public sector undertakings, etc. Non-marketable assets. On the other hand, if the assets cannot be transferred easily, they come under this category. Example: bank deposits, provident funds, pension funds, national savings certificates, insurance policies, etc. Now, recap. Functions of financial market. Intermediary functions: transfer of resources, enhancing income, productive usage, capital formation, price determination, sale mechanism, information. Financial functions: providing the borrowers, providing the lenders, providing the liquidity. New issue market versus secondary market. Meaning buying, financing, how can be securities be sold, buying and selling, between, gain person, intermediary function, price, organizational differences. Classification of financial assets. Classification of assets such as marketable assets, non-marketable assets. Thank you.